Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Go in your Ubuntu system or any Linux operating system. So first thing, you need to go into your browser and just type Golang. So this will open the Golang. Just click on Golang, and if you click on documents here, so this will open installing Go. So just click on installing Go, and this is the steps that are given for you to help how to install Go in your Linux operating system. So first thing is you need to just download Go for Linux. So just click on download Go. This will automatically download in your Ubuntu system or any Linux operating system. So this will download the Linux. So this will download the Go into your Linux. So if I go into my downloads folder, so I have already downloaded this GIF or tar file. So I need to right click and click on extract here. So this will extract my tar file into this folder, and if I just go inside this folder, there is one Go folder inside it, and just right click and open your terminal inside this folder. Just right click and open in terminal. So this will open in this directory. So I need to move this Go folder into my user/local folder. So what I need to do is just type sudo mb/go and move it into user/local. And if I click enter, this will ask me for entering password, and this Go folder has been moved into user/local. So if I go into that folder by just opening my terminal, cd/user/local. So if I just type ls, this will just show the Go here, and if I go inside this Go folder, if I type ls and just type bin, so inside the bin folder we can see there's one Go. So if I just execute by typing / and go, you can see here Go tool is managing to Go source. So this will show some of the commands which will help you to use Go. So if I just type / go version, so this will show the version as well. But what if I need to set it in environment variable? So if I just go open and open my terminal and just type Go here, this won't show anything, command Go not found. So I want it to show the same thing here as well. So what you need to do is just copy this path and open your terminal and type sudo gedit.bash rc, and if I just enter my password, so this file must be in your home directory. So go to your home and only open your terminal, and if I go here, and what I need to do is to paste the same thing here. So if I paste the path here, and if I save this, so this will save the path into .bash rc, and if I go to my terminal, open new terminal and just type Go, so this will show the same thing wherever you go. So if I type Go version, this will show my Go version as well. So this is how you install Go in your Ubuntu system or any Linux operating system. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.